You can't afford to miss this video if you have any interest in Shiba Inu, or if you own any Shib tokens, since $1.46 billion worth of Shiba Inu were traded in the previous 24 hours. We will find out when Shiba achieves all-time highs. What is the most recent information on Shiba Inu Coin, and how will it impact the breed's value? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to follow it through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But before we go on to our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on October 8th. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 1714 units. Shiba's price has decreased by 5.5% during the last day, with $378 million changing hands during that time. The token is presently the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $10.1 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Let's start the video for today. When the price breaches key resistance, the Shiba Inu burn rate rises by 544%. Shiba Inu's key metrics are all lighted up in green, so it's off to a good start to the week. A 504.55% increase is seen in the burn rate, with 5.1 million Shib being delivered to dead wallets. An increase in burn rates is often seen in tandem with discernible price rise. Generally speaking, it suggests that the environment of the meme currency is changing in a good way. Shiba Inu Burn has an impact. The token has moved to change the perception of the ecosystem as a whole with the most recent Shib burn rush. The total number of Shiba Inu burned from the original supply has decreased to 410 trillion Shib due to the minor fires. After this, there are 583 trillion Shib in circulation across the society. Actually, the main objective of the Shiba Inu burn function is to decrease the supply in order to achieve noticeable price increases. This deflationary statistic has had an impact on Shiba Inu, even if the actual Shib burn per period of time is inconsistent. What does Shib do next? Shiba Inu uses its community to continuously push its goals. The token has been continuously burned ever since the Shib burn gateway became live. It is anticipated that when adoption increases, this will happen even more quickly. The Shiba Inu core team has been giving varying weight to the introduction of new products. Even while it seems like these goods are being phased out, this doesn't take away from the potential use cases that these items provide for further propelling Shib's expansion. We would much appreciate it if you could press the like button if you're still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Ready to make a splash, Shiba Inu. On the basis of purchase indications, analysts aim for 47,000 units. Cantonese Cat, a market analyst, pointed out that Shiba Inu is one among the 10 cryptocurrencies that are now flashing a buy signal. This was covered by the market analyst in a recent analysis on YouTube, providing a graphic demonstrating the Shiba Inu's current encouraging potential for a sharp price increase. Shiba Inu gives a buy signal flash. Cantonese Cat affirmed that the L3 Banker Money Flow Trend Oscillator, which has sent off a buy signal for Shiba Inu, is the main indication supporting this optimistic outlook. Despite the present state of the market, a number of other cryptocurrencies are now missing this exceedingly uncommon buy signal. The researcher clarified that July 2023 was the last time this indication for Shiba Inu surfaced. Shiba Inu traded around 700 and 770 units and 800 units at that time. Following this indication, the price was essentially unchanged for a few months until a significant uptick in February 2024, driven by the overall market bull run. Shib had a significant price rise. The 4,500 units that reached its top in March were 5 times higher than the original purchase signal. According to the chart, Shiba Inu could be able to repeat a comparable surge once again. Fibonacci retracement levels are shown on the chart to provide a better picture of the price goals. SHIB pricing objectives. Shiba Inu's ultimate goal is to reach the 1,618 Fibonacci extension level, or around 47,000 units. This level might provide a gain of 30 times. Though this goal is attainable, the analyst also issues a warning since SHIB would need to overcome significant opposition areas. Cantonese Cat examined the general state of the market by contrasting the SHIB chart with a more comprehensive altcoin market index that did not include well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. A sizable cup and handle development that might result in enormous profits was seen by this indicator. A recent retest of the trend line by the altcoin index resulted in a breakout from this handle pattern, which is encouraging for cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. Furthermore, Cantonese Cat said that if Shiba Inu keeps up the bullish momentum implied by the present scenario, it may exceed its all-time high. Although he thinks SHIB will go towards 47,000 units if it breaks above the predicted resistance arcs, he still views this as a theoretical possibility. The chartist was cautious in his forecasts, pointing out that this kind of action might be prematurely optimistic in the short run. Rather, he highlighted more cautious expectations, saying that a recovery to 13,900 units would more likely result in a 10x gain. The market analyst verified that cryptocurrencies are not showing comparable purchase signals, including Dogecoin, XRP, Solana, and Ethereum. Now for the major narrative of today's video. Pricing forecast for Shiba Inu. This week, how high can it go? SHIB is not an exception to the trend of meme currencies making a comeback. Important tiers of assistance, 1,400 pieces. Important degrees of resistance, 2,000 pieces. 1. SHIB becomes optimistic. Buyers were eager to push SHIB higher at the beginning of the week, suggesting that the retreat is likely done. The important resistance level at 2,000 units may be challenged in the next days if current bullish trend keeps up. Sellers halted the price there at the end of September, but a retreat may be fruitful. 2. Next, a higher high. Now that a higher low has been verified, SHIB is almost ready for market release, to reaching for a greater peak. To make it happen, the pricing will need to support 2,000 units. Although purchasers still seem reticent at the time of this article, this may alter in the coming days. 3. Strong positive indication for MACD. Beginning in early October, the weekly MCD began to trend bullish, and it has continued to do so ever since. This reinforces a bullish bias with the hope that the barrier that is now in place will shortly be tested once again. This signal suggests that greater price levels are probably imminent. However, what is preventing SHIB from hitting a brand new all-time high? Within the realm of meme currencies, Shiba Inu is among the most recognizable coins. Investors saw SHIB and Dogecoin as the next generation of meme currencies, and the token's 2021 price gave them optimism for the cryptocurrency space. Shiba Inu has already dropped by about 71% from its peak of 8616 units, which it reached in October 2021. Given the asset's increase in the last year, is it possible that SHIB will ever hit that peak again? If yes, when? The years 2020 and 2021 were Shiba Inu's prime. In 2020, early investors who contributed a meager $12 to SHIB received payments of $1 million and more. It is noteworthy that this increase corresponds to a gain of 7,692,207%. More investors bought SHIB as a result of Shiba Inu's success, hoping that the token would have a similar boom to that of 2021 during the 2024 to 2025 bull market. SHIB has a challenging journey ahead of it, replete with roadblocks to reach its peak and beyond. Memes haven't been as successful as crypto assets in 2024, but they have nonetheless had a nice year. When compared to other cryptocurrencies and popular assets like Bitcoin and ETH, the main meme currency Doge has not grown much. At the start of the year, the price of Shiba Inu increased by almost 350% in only 2 weeks due to the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. Though the market has performed well overall, the currency has now returned to slightly over its January price. As a result, some analysts think that the 2021 meme coin craze that started at the beginning of the year is finished. Is Shiba Inu ever going to reach its peak again? Although a new all-time high for Shib is unlikely to happen very soon, bullish momentum might drive Shib soaring. In the last 9 days, the token has reached a 33% peak, and on-chain activity has increased to an all-time high. Shib maintains a steady price tempo and concentrates on setting a new price high in contrast to other meme currencies. In addition, the upcoming release of the Shiba Inu stablecoin has increased interest in the token, pumping price. The Shib team has not yet disclosed the launch date of the next stablecoin, which many have predicted would enhance the functionality of the Shibarium network. Increased adoption of Shib might result from increased usefulness for Shibarium, which could raise the asset's price. Shib could be a more better method for users to engage with the Bitcoin field if they are tired of cryptocurrency's volatility. To sum up, there are a number of obstacles standing in the way of the Shiba Inu reaching its peak again and even higher. Shib is gaining fresh impetus, however, and in the next years, it could be able to overcome those obstacles. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.